Russia and Turkey may soon sign a contract for the delivery of a second batch of S-400 air defense missile systems, Russia's state news agency TASS said, citing a top Russian defense official. "I believe we will conclude the second contract in the foreseeable future. It implies Turkish partners' certain participation in the production process." TASS quoted the chief of Russia's Federal Service for Military Technical Cooperation, Dmitry Shugayev, as saying, "Turkey's decision to acquire S-400 missiles has soured its relations with the United States, which halted the delivery of 100 F-35 fighter jets to Turkey and suspended Turkey's participation in the F-35 production program after the first shipment of the Russian defense system arrived in Turkey in July." The United States maintains the S-400s are incompatible with NATO's defense systems and could allow Russia access to sensitive data through subterfuge. In February, Turkey requested the United States send 2 Patriot air defense missile batteries to its southern border to deter any future attacks by Syrian troops in the northwestern province of Idlib. But the United States said the supply of the Patriots to Turkey rested on the condition of returning the already purchased S-400 systems to Russia.